Hey everyone, on a noisy road. I am in Clapham for the first time and we're walking to the hotel. There we go, that's the hotel. Really fast. Wasn't expecting that. The Gateway Hotel. I think I'm following some wedding people into the hotel. This will be interesting. But let's have a look at it then. So the Gateway Hotel. Weddings. Oh, they're arguing. It hasn't gone the plan. Reception that way. Doors galore. Oh, it's rowdy. Oh, it's a pub next door. Reception this way. Someone's telling me reception's this way. So I guess it's through there. Well, where it says welcome. I should have caught it. Oh.
Hello.
Hiya, you alright? Hotel art. That doesn't look like London to me. That one does. It's a tree. Okay. Don't want to be in that room. Up the stairs. Room 18 for us tonight. Oh, that's nice. Give you a couple of books. Oh, it's noisy in here. I can hear voices. Please don't be next to me. This is the house. Doesn't look like London either. Seeing right off the bat, my eyes were drawn to this. Biscuits, hot chocolate, a red kettle. Brilliant. Okay, let's have a look. So here's the bed. So it's a nice double bed. I'll try and get it in as much as I can. Holy shit, look at that. Earplugs. Oh, earplugs. Sorry, I'm Welsh. What are you going to do? Valleys, innit? And that's pretty weird. There's a picture of the hotel in the hotel. But, you know, it smells okay in here. That's a little teeny tiny TV which flashes. So I'll see if I can unplug that so it doesn't flash all night. Yeah, I'm loving that biscuits and I'm loving the hot chocolate. It's still Nescafe, but whatever. It looks like I've got a superb view. Here we go. Ready? Boom! Shell garage. Look at that. There you go. The Gateway Hotel. What else we got here? A quaint little bin. A radiator that's thankfully off because it's like 24 degrees. Oh, a mirror. Hi, here I am. Interesting. Tissues, unusual. Also, don't get a fridge every day, but it's cool. Anytime you get a fridge on a carpeted step, that's pretty cool. And this is actually as well a spare table. I don't think is that supposed to be a stool? I saw it as an extra table. Either way, it works. Should we look in the drawers and just see if there's a Bible or something? Oh, hairdryer. Tiny hairdryer. Nothing. Zip. Nada. Zilch. That's quite fun. You can actually wheel that around. I didn't notice. Oh, I notice. Smoking is strictly forbidden. Wow. And then what is that? Tiny, tiny. No mid-stay cleans to be provided. Fan, nice. An iron, but no ironing board. I guess you request the ironing board. Okay. Let's have a look. Smells like a shower. Oh, I don't like the look of this. Due to local regulation, water pressure is low. Please allow the hot tap to run for 2 minutes before use. 2 minutes. And why have they capitalised the U? That's pretty weird. Oh, shower cap. It's funny, talking about shower caps the other day and bringing it home. Oh, that's nice. This stuff. I buy this stuff. Oh, look at that. Some lime scale. But we'll see how that runs. It's a bit lime scaley. There's a smell in here, but it's, you know, it's just damp. You know, what you're going to do is... Oh, actually looks like there's some damp up on the wall too. I'm going to test the bed. I'll go attack it. I don't think I'm exaggerating if I tell you that that kind of hurt. Oh, I think I got right down to the frame. I'm not loving it, it's a bit springy. I feel like, oh shit, no, there's no bounce. That's intense. But there's 4 pillows, and I'm sure 4 pillows will be fine. £81 for this. Really struggled to find a place this week. Really struggled. Oh my god, what's that? It was like 2 extra fans and spare carpet. Should we need it? Don't think we need spare carpet. We'll see how we get on. What was I saying? £81. Struggled. So I don't know if it's because, you know, football was on, but Wembley was really hard to find as well. Everything in London has just gone up because it's probably summer and because it's not COVID anymore. So yeah, once again, my budget for hotels is going to have to kind of increase up to maybe 90 quid, which is a drag because at the minute, as I'm sure you're well aware, everything is going up. Except the buses are pretty consistent. Bus this morning was £7.90, that's not bad. Jam-packed though, jam-packed. Sweaty bus. Okay, cool, that is the room. Lots of interesting features. Earplugs, hot chocolate, shower cap, tissues, fridge. We have a problem. First of all, that is quite cramped. If I put on any more weight, it's not going to happen. And look at this. That's not good for anybody. That's not even the worst thing in the bathroom. However, I do find it kind of funny that it's almost like inconspicuous, you can't see. So, what is it? It's a hole. There's a hole in the door, and they didn't think anybody would notice if they put an almost invisible sticker over the top. There's another one there too. Sometimes you miss things when you're doing the initial kind of walk around the room. I missed this. It's gross because it's not mine. Morning everyone. So that was the evening. Gateway Hotel. What do I think? I think if I'm rating, we're giving it a solid 6. I don't tend to rate, but a solid 6. It seems fine in many ways. It's just another one of those hotels which seem to be the norm, where I think if people just put a little bit more effort in, it would raise it up. Because in theory, you know, there are so many nice touches like the earplugs and the hot chocolate and the biscuits. And I never even showed you that there's different types of milk. There's milk for tea and there's creamer for coffee. I've never seen creamer in a coffee in a hotel yet. I've seen it before, but I've never seen it since doing the vids. You know, having a fan in you is essential really, but it's cool. You know, nice shower gel, but then it's let down by weird shit, like, you know, like the toilet seat not staying up and those hairs that I just showed you in the glass. So there's definitely an attention to detail missing, but you know, they're not alone in that. It's a common complaint. I think I would stay here again because despite possibly the loudest snorter I've ever heard, and I've been to many zoos. Yeah, the guy next door is really loud. But apart from him, I think it's fine. You know, I think it's okay. I think it's yeah, like I said, it's a solid 6. It's smack in the middle. They could easily get up to a 7, even a 7.5, because having those little minty chocolates on reception is a nice touch. But it needs a bit of work. The bed is hard. Didn't sleep great. I feel like I've got a migraine, you know, because of a lack of sleep. But it is probably dehydration. So you know, drink plenty of water, kids. Look after yourself better than I do. But yeah, 80 quid, which is kind of the norm now. So yeah, 30 quid is fine. It's, apart from that glass, fairly clean. Tube station's not far away at all. It's literally like a 3-minute walk down the road, and then you've got like shops. There's supermarkets, so easy enough to get, you know, water and stuff. I might look for some breakfast, but what I really want to do is, because the tube station is dead opposite Clapham Common, I want to go for a little walk. Should we do that? We can do that. Here is Clapham Common. I'll be honest, I thought it was bigger. I didn't think I'd be able to see the end from the start. But to give you context as well, just there is Clapham South Tube, which is the one I'm going to jump on. Get on the Northern Line, maybe get off at a embankment and walk. I'll decide later. But yeah, this is, well, there's an aeroplane. Probably going to Florida. I guess Clapham Common is for runners and doggies. We'll do a lap. And then we'll kind of go to work. I wouldn't mind coming back to Clapham just to kind of have a look around a little bit. I'll be honest, I did expect more from the common, but I suppose a common is a stretch of grass. Oh geez, look at this guy. Whoa! Look at him go. Hopefully you could see him. My eyes are such that I can't really see the screen when I'm looking at it. You know, I need to, hey, there you are. But for everything else, I need the glasses to look around, so I could see him with my real eyes. I couldn't see him on the screen, so hopefully you saw him. Yeah. Oh, I know, he's already taken his shirt off because he's so tired. Oh, bless him. That's what happens when you sprint in the sun. But that's that. So let's say goodbye. So thanks for watching, and I'm in another hotel tonight, so bang, straight another one, straight to Wembley tonight for a well, we're going to do something. I'll tell you about that in the next video, I suppose, in which I'll probably be wearing the same clothes. Yeah. All right, cool. Take care, everyone. See you next time, hopefully. Bye bye.